How does Connect IPS help in electronic payment? Explain its working principles as well as role in providing seamless e-government services to citizens. Connect IPS e-payment system is developed and operated by Nepal Clearing House Limited, NCHL, which is licensed and regulated by Nepal Rastra Bank, NRB, as a payment system operator, PSO. NCHL is promoted by Nepal Rastra Bank and majority of the banks and financial institutions. Connect IPS is a single payments platform that allows the customers to link their bank accounts to enable payment processor, fund transfer and biller payments. It is an extended product of Nepal Clearing House to support citizen to government, C2G, customer to business, C2B, and peer-to-peer, P2P, payment transactions directly from to the bank accounts. The system is available 24/7 through alternate channels of the web, www.connectips.com, mobile app and payment process gateway. This can also be accessed from the mobile internet banking of major banks and financial institutions and app web of various mobile wallets. The working principle of Connect IPS revolves around enabling seamless electronic transactions and fund transfers between participating banks and their customers. By providing a secure, efficient, and convenient payment platform, Connect IPS helps streamline financial transactions and promote digital financial inclusion in Nepal. Some key concepts on working principles of Connect IPS are: participant integration. Participating banks and financial institutions integrate with the Connect IPS platform, enabling their customers to access electronic payment services. User registration. Customers register for Connect IPS services through their respective banks, linking their bank accounts with their Connect IPS profiles. Transaction initiation. Users initiate transactions, such as fund transfers, bill payments, and online purchases, through the Connect IPS portal or mobile app. Authorization. Transactions are authorized using multi-factor authentication methods, such as passwords, OTPs, one-time passwords, or biometric verification, to ensure security and prevent unauthorized access. Payment settlement. Upon authorization, funds are transferred between the senders and receivers' bank accounts through the Connect IPS platform. Transactions are settled in real-time or batch mode, depending on the nature of the transaction. Confirmation and notification. Both parties receive confirmation of the transaction, and the sender and receiver are notified via SMS, email, or in-app notifications. Generating report. The Connect IPS platform facilitates reporting processes for participating banks and financial institutions. It provides transaction details, settlement reports, and other relevant information too. Banks maintain accurate records and comply with regulatory requirements. Role of Connect IPS in providing seamless e-government services. Payment gateway for government services. Connect IPS serves as a secure payment gateway for citizens to pay for various government services, such as taxes, utility bills, fines and fees, online. Convenience and accessibility. By offering electronic payment options, Connect IPS enhances the accessibility and convenience of government services for citizens, allowing them to make payments from anywhere, at any time, using their preferred payment methods. Efficiency and transparency. Connect IPS streamlines payment processes for government agencies by automating transactions and providing real-time settlement and reconciliation. This improves efficiency, reduces administrative overhead, and enhances transparency in financial transactions. Financial inclusion. Connect IPS promotes financial inclusion by providing citizens, including those in remote areas, with access to electronic payment services. This enables individuals without traditional banking access to participate in the digital economy and access government services online. Data security and privacy. Connect IPS employs robust security measures, including encryption, authentication, and transaction monitoring, to protect users' sensitive information and ensure the security and integrity of electronic transactions. Connect IPS plays a pivotal role in advancing Nepal's e-government initiatives by modernizing payment infrastructure, promoting digital financial inclusion, and enhancing the efficiency and accessibility of government services for citizens. Thank you guys. I think this video will make you clear about this topic. I will make many videos that are previously asked in PSC. So please stay tuned with this channel, like for efforts and do subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day. May all your wishes come true very soon. Stay happy, keep smiling. Do subscribe. If you want for contents regarding Loksewa exam preparation as an IT officer or engineer. Thank you.